Fear focuses on the future, and faith focuses on the present moment. Hello, I am going to talk in this short video with something that bothers many people. It's motivation and the mindset. A cluttered mind steals our joy. And in this video, I will give you 3 quick tips to help you to refocus. My name is Tessa-Marie, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you will find the answers to life's true happiness and success. Subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when videos of this nature are released. Yes, you see, we allow the clutter that takes over our mind to change our beliefs. So let's clear your mind and refocus with those 3 quick tips. Guess what? Here is number 1. Have you ever had to say to yourself, you can leave a comment on that one, I have to do this, I have to do this. And you keep saying, I have to do it. But having to do it is not getting it done, because all of a sudden it feels the have. Think of the word, I have to do it. Your shoulders go up, more stress comes on. You're not doing it, right? So I have to do it. Tessa-Marie, I have to get this done. And I see it with my friends and those I coach. And I see it if I'm having a engagement lecture and people are asking questions. I have to do this and I just can't get it done. What I know for sure, with me, I have changed that because I too faced it. What you're going through right now is not alien, it's just not just for you. I had to do this. And when I realized I was stressing about having to, it is a privilege. I get to wake up early so that I can speak life into others. I can encourage others. I, Tessa-Marie Shillingford, get to wake up early at 4:15 so I can be here with an idea. And that one single person, I am sure not each and every one of you that hear this today will have something to relate to. But there is that one person somewhere, sometime, that will find it. And that's why I wake up early. I wake up early so that I get to teach that person what it is they must do if they feel that they're having, I have to, pounding at the door of their mind and not getting anything done. Change your words, change your mindset, make an affirmation out of it. I am happy and grateful I get to do this. I am happy and grateful I get to work on my weight. I am happy and grateful I get to eat better. I am happy and grateful I can manage my emotions. You see, once you do that, then you are on the road to fixing it. You will stop saying, I have to. You will see the honor and the privilege you have in doing those things. But there is a slight caveat here for you. Do not believe that because you get to compare yourself to somebody you purport or you assume cannot do what you get to do. That's not right. You just lost your gratitude. You're back again in the clutter of the mind because you're straddling the lane. And if you're driving and you're driving on 2 lanes, you'll get pulled over and get a ticket, right? That's straddling. So you have decided, I get to do this. Then stay with I get to do it. Just do that. Just keep saying that. No. Number 2. Oh, you have something to do. It's big, it's audacious, it's a big dream, it's a big goal. Like me, that is what I'm doing right here now. That has been my dream, goal, and desires for maybe 30 years, to speak life into others, to encourage. Because you know what my 3 E's are? Enlighten, educate, and empower or encourage others to live a fulfilled life. And that's why I created the 5 pillars of prosperity. It's because of me. When I saw what I needed to fix, the 5 pillars, emotional, mental, spiritual, physical, and financial in my life, you know what? I need to do this. And let us look at number 2. Number 2 is, what if I fail? Really? Change that. What if it works? Try that. Stop saying, what if it fails? Look at it and say, what if it works? Can you imagine it works? If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. So you are changing from what if it works instead of what if I fail? What if it turns out better than I imagined? These are your second one, the second tip. From what if I fail to what if it works? What if it turns out better than I imagined? Oh my, look at where you're going. Fear focuses on the future, and faith focuses on the present moment. So use faith and make another affirmation. I am happy and grateful that I can succeed at this. I am happy and grateful that it is turning out better than I imagined. I am happy and grateful I have the opportunity to do this, to, from saying, what if I fail, to knowing I can succeed. I'm happy and grateful that I can succeed. And again, do not straddle and go to your friend who failed at doing the same thing. That is none of your business. Mind your own business. Stay in your lane. Look after your backyard. Clean your own house. Stop going and trying to fix other people's houses. Now you know you have an opportunity that, yes, it can work. Oh my goodness. It is going to be fixed. And it might turn out better than I thought. Stay there. Do not go there. Make affirmations about it and repeat them daily, especially when you're feeling like the fear, because fear is in the future. Fear is telling you, what if you do it and it doesn't work? Whereas faith, you're focusing, I know I can. I believe I can. I've got this. I have Michael Jordan level talents. I can. That's what you do. And then my third tip for you is, oh my goodness, Tessa-Marie, I am overwhelmed. I am so overwhelmed. I have so much to do, laundry and cooking and cleaning and going to work, and my boss is hard and my work is okay. We got it. You are overwhelmed. So you need to get off the chair that says overwhelmed and sit in the chair that says, I can take one small action on this situation right now. I can make one self-determination that I can do something about it. What is the one next thing that I can do to help me fix it? What is that one next thing I can do to help me fix it? What is that one next thing I can do? RIGHTNOW. No, what can I do right now, in this moment, because I am so overwhelmed? And then when people talk about overwhelm, it lives again in the future. It has no peace. Overwhelm lives in the future. Peace lives in the present moment. When you're overwhelmed, you're not peaceful. You're not calm. But when you're peaceful, you can stay in the moment and do this. Again, another affirmation. I am happy and grateful. I can take a step in the right direction. I am happy, I'm grateful. I can do something right now. I am happy and grateful. I can make myself peaceful so I can find what it is I need to do. You see, you do not have to sit in the valley of overwhelm. You can get off that chair or that valley and climb the rock, get to the top and say, I did it. I took an action. I didn't sit in the chair all day long. I didn't sit with my hands supporting my chin. This reset brings you back to now and an action. When you say that peace lives in the present moment, overwhelm lives in the future. You don't know what's going to happen. The future is a mystery. This third reset brings you back to now in the present moment. So you have 3 of them. Number 1, you said, I get to do it, instead of I have to do it. Number 2, when you look at it, I'm afraid I might fail. No, I can win. This can really work. It really can work. Tessa-Marie, it can work. I know it can work. Number 3, I am overwhelmed. You're not overwhelmed. Although you're overwhelmed, but I can do something. There's a little thing I can do. So you see, this is what I wanted to discuss with you today. So if you like this video, give us a like, make a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. I am just doing this with a heart of gold. I do not care. Just take it and give it to someone you know who likes it. Have an amazing and wonderful day. And I'm trusting that this is working for you. See you later.